Alright, today we are looking at the best front and rear dash cam. If you want to protect your vehicle and have clear video evidence, you need the right dash cam. To find the best front and rear dash cam, I have tested dozens of different systems, but it turns out different drivers need completely different dash cams. So in this video, I am going to share 5 best front and rear dash cams for every budget and need. And I will also show you which ones to avoid at all costs. And by the end, I will share the dash cam I personally trust the most. So at number 5, we've got the VIRROW dash cam front and rear. And it's priced just under $70, which makes it the cheapest option on this list. And that low price comes with one small catch I'll mention. This is really for anyone who wants simple front and rear coverage for their car without a big investment. The first thing I really liked is it comes with a 64GB card, so it's ready to go right out of the box. After using it for a few days, I found the 4K front video is clear enough to read plates, and the touchscreen is way easier than fiddling with tiny buttons. Having both front and rear views recording at once just gives you that extra layer of security on the road. Day to day, it feels very set it and forget it. It just turns on with the car, and it's also pretty small, so it hides nicely behind the rear view mirror and doesn't block your view at all. Now, the one catch is the 24/7 parking mode requires a separate hardwire kit, which is an extra purchase. But if you need an affordable dual cam that handles all the driving essentials, this is easily the best value to start with. So at number 4, we've got the TERUNSOUL 4K plus 4K dash cam, and it's priced around $110. This is for anyone who wants incredibly sharp front and rear video without paying a huge premium for it. The first thing I really liked is that the video is genuinely 4K on both cameras, not just the front one. After using it for a few days, I was surprised how much detail it captures, especially at night. I could easily read license plates on cars both ahead and behind me, which is the whole point of getting one of these. The Wi-Fi connection to the app is also really fast, so downloading a video file only takes a few seconds, and the built-in GPS adds your speed and location to the footage, which is perfect for evidence. Day to day, it just feels reliable. It turns on with the car, and it doesn't have to think about it. It's compact enough that it hides neatly behind my rearview mirror, so it doesn't block my view at all. If top-tier video clarity from every angle is your main priority, this is a fantastic value pick. So at number 3, we've got the ROVE R2-4K dual dash cam, and it's priced around $110. This is for the driver who wants a full front and rear setup with great video quality without paying a premium. The first thing I really liked is that it comes with a 128GB card, so you don't need to buy anything extra. After using it for a few days, the video quality really stands out. The front 4K footage is super crisp, but the night vision is honestly the most impressive part. License plates and road signs were clear even in low light, which is exactly what you want a dash cam for. The Wi-Fi file transfer is also way faster than older cams. Pulling a clip to my phone takes seconds, and the built-in GPS is great for automatically logging your route and speed. Day to day, it feels completely hands-off. It turns on with the car, and it just does its job. It's compact enough that it hides neatly behind my rearview mirror, so it doesn't block my view at all. If you want a complete, high-quality dual camera system that's ready to go out of the box, this is an incredible value. So at number 2, we've got the VIOFO A229 Plus, and it's priced around $190. This is for the person who's serious about video quality and wants to be sure they can read a license plate day or night. After using it for a few weeks, the main thing is just how clean the footage is from both the front and rear cameras. At night, where cheaper cams show a blurry mess, this one keeps license plates incredibly sharp. That's because it uses high-end Sony sensors in both units, not just the front, and you can really see the difference when it matters. The voice commands are something I ended up using a lot. Just saying lock the video after a close call without fumbling for buttons is a huge plus. Pulling clips to my phone over its fast Wi-Fi is actually quick too. Day to day, it gives you confidence that you'll have usable footage if something happens. It's compact enough to tuck behind the rearview mirror, so you pretty much forget it's even there. If you're ready to move past basic models for truly excellent video evidence, this is the one to get. So at number 1, we've got the VIOFO A229 Pro 4K HDR dash cam, and it's priced around $279.99. This is for the person who just wants the absolute best video evidence possible, no compromises. The first thing that genuinely blew me away was the video quality, especially at night. A lot of dash cams look fine during the day, but this one is on another level in the dark. After using it for a few days, I reviewed some nighttime footage and could clearly read license plates on cars that were pretty far ahead, which most cameras just can't do. That clarity is why it's number one. It's the whole reason you buy a dash cam in the first place. Pulling a video clip is actually fast because of the 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and the voice commands for saving a video are surprisingly useful, so you don't have to reach up and press a button. Day to day, it just sits behind my mirror completely out of the way, and I have total peace of mind knowing it's recording everything in sharp detail. It tucks in nicely behind the rearview mirror so it doesn't block your view or look bulky from the outside. If you're serious about protecting yourself and want footage that will actually hold up as evidence, this is the one to get. But before you make a decision, there are a couple types of dash cams I'd recommend avoiding. Stay away from anything with a built-in battery instead of a supercapacitor. Those batteries just don't hold up in extreme heat or cold and can become a reliability nightmare. I'd also be wary of cameras that push a cloud subscription really hard or have a clunky, slow app, because trying to get your footage when you actually need it becomes a huge pain. With all that said, my clear favorite and the one that stays in my car is the VIOFO A229 Pro. The video is just so sharp and reliable, you never have to wonder if it caught the license plate or not. It just works, and it works incredibly well. It's the one I trust the most. If you want to check it out, I'll have it linked down in the description for the best price I could find.